guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am forced to stay at home again because I am tested positive for coronavirus, and it is not very hard for you guys to guess why, because I go out a lot. So in this back to forced quarantine days, I have started missing something very much, and those who know me well, they know what I am talking about. Yes, it is Starbucks. So today we are going to make a Starbucks coffee. So let's get started. So I have this very cute box of coffee. This is 100% Arabica whole bean roasted coffee, which I got blended. This is the Diwali edition of Starbucks. So basically I don't get a lot of gifts on Diwali, so I buy presents for myself. So nevertheless, today we'll make a mocha praline frappuccino. So let's go!
First of all, we are going to make praline. Heat a pan and dry roast few almonds on medium flame until you get the beautiful aroma of roasted almonds. Take another pan and add 3/4 cup of sugar and spread it evenly. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Now all you need to do is wait patiently for the water and the sugar to cook undisturbed, bubble up and caramelize. Once the sugar reaches the golden amber color is when I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter and give it a good mix. Now add the roasted almonds and make sure that all the almonds are evenly and nicely coated with caramel. Transfer it onto a tray greased with butter. Spread it evenly. And once it is hard, break it into shards and put it into a blender jar and blend it into a fine powder. Making almond praline might sound super fancy, but it is actually very simple. After praline, we are gonna make espresso, however you say it. I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoon of coffee and approximately 4 tablespoons of hot water, and we are gonna give it a good mix. Well, espresso is water plus coffee, so the amount of water and coffee can vary depending upon how strong you like your coffee. Here I have heavy cream. This is the sweetened one, so I'm not gonna add sugar in it. Now grab a clean whisk and start whisking the crap out of it. After a workout of about 5 to 10 minutes, a whipped cream is finally done. Pour 1.5 cup of cold milk into a blender jar. Add 1 cup of ice cubes, some vanilla extract to intensify the flavor. Add the espresso, however you say it, just add it in. No mocha is complete without chocolate sauce, so add lots and lots of chocolate sauce. Add some caramel syrup, cause why not? Now blend it nicely.
Grab yourself a Starbucks mug or a Starbucks tumbler, because you can drink Starbucks coffee only in a Starbucks mug or a Starbucks tumbler, or else you won't get the flavors right. The magic is in this lid.
Add some whipped cream in the bottom, which is eventually gonna rise. Top it with some praline. Pour the blended coffee into the mug. Starbucks mug. Now we are gonna top it with some whipped cream. And some more praline.
This already looks 10 times better than the straw. Grab a metal straw, cause why not? Wow, this is such an amazing flavor, and I just love this. This is really better than the store one, like what we get in Starbucks. So I'm gonna enjoy my homemade Starbucks coffee. Let me know your experience while making it. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.